Are you ready to take control of your life and make your dreams a reality? On January 25th, 2025, a rare and powerful planetary alignment will occur. This event is not just a visual spectacle, it's an energetic opportunity to align your life with your deepest desires. This alignment is like an open door, allowing the energy of the universe to flow into your life and help you manifest what you truly want. If this excites you, it's no accident that you're here. You were guided to hear this message for a reason. Stay with me, and I'll explain how this event can change your life. Before we begin, let's take one small step to invite abundance into your life. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with someone who needs this message. Also, take a moment to comment, "I am grateful" below. Gratitude is a powerful way to send positive energy into the universe and attract the blessings you desire. On January 25th, 2025, 7 planets in our solar system will align in the sky. From Earth, they will appear in a line, as though dancing together in perfect harmony. While they won't be in a perfectly straight line, their positions will be close enough to create a stunning visual effect. Let's imagine this for a moment. You look up at the night sky and see these planets shining side by side. This rare sight reminds us of the vastness of the universe and our place within it. It's a cosmic event that symbolizes harmony, balance, and the interconnectedness of all things. This alignment is not just a beautiful sight, it's a powerful, energetic moment. According to spiritual traditions, planetary alignments amplify the natural energy of the cosmos. Think of it like a magnifying glass, focusing the sun's rays to create intense light and heat. In the same way, this alignment focuses the energy of the planets, intensifying their influence on our lives. Each planet represents a different aspect of life. Mercury, communication and clarity. Venus, love, relationships, and emotional balance. Mars, action, courage, and determination. Jupiter, growth, abundance, and opportunities. Saturn, discipline, responsibility, and long-term goals. Uranus, innovation and breaking free from limits. Neptune, intuition, dreams, and creativity. When these energies come together, they create a field of possibility, a chance to focus on your intentions and bring them to life. You might be wondering, what does this mean for me? The answer is simple. This is your chance to take control of your life. The alignment is like a cosmic mirror, reflecting your desires and intentions back to you. Whatever you focus on during this time will grow stronger. This is why it's so important to approach this event with clarity and purpose. If you focus on positivity, growth, and gratitude, you'll attract those things into your life. But if you dwell on fear, doubt, or negativity, you might find those energies growing instead. To fully benefit from this alignment, you'll need to prepare yourself mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Here are some simple steps you can take. Create a reflective space set, aside time each day to think about what you truly want. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a cozy corner of your home or a peaceful spot in nature. Use this time to reflect on your life and your goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? What am I ready to let go of? Write down your thoughts in a journal. Be specific about your desires. Instead of saying, "I want happiness," describe what happiness looks like to you. Maybe it's a fulfilling job, a loving relationship, or good health. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for attracting abundance. Each day, think of 3 things you're grateful for. These can be big or small, like the support of a loved one, a sunny day, or even the fact that you're alive and breathing. Gratitude shifts your mindset from lack to abundance, which helps you align with the energy of the universe. Use affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that help reprogram your mind. On the day of the alignment, repeat phrases like, "I am worthy of my dreams. I attract love, success, and happiness. The universe is working in my favor." Say these affirmations with belief and emotion. Imagine your words sending waves of energy into the universe, ready to return as blessings. Visualize your future. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your ideal life. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living the life you desire. Picture the details, what you're doing, how you feel, and who's with you. Visualization helps you connect with your goals on a deeper level, making them feel more real and achievable. Raise your vibration. Your personal energy or vibration affects what you attract. To raise your vibration, focus on activities that bring you joy. Spend time in nature. Listen to uplifting music. Exercise or move your body. Avoid negativity, whether it's toxic people, draining environments, or negative self-talk. As the alignment approaches, take time to release what no longer serves you. This could be old habits, limiting beliefs, or unhealthy relationships. Think of this as clearing space for new blessings to enter your life. For example, if you've been holding on to self-doubt, replace it with self-confidence. If you've been stuck in a negative pattern, take small steps to break free. On the night of January 25th, step outside and look up at the sky. Let the beauty of the alignment remind you of the infinite possibilities within the universe and within yourself. As you watch the planets shine together, take a moment to feel gratitude. Say your affirmations out loud and imagine your words traveling into the cosmos, ready to return as opportunities and blessings. This is your time to connect with the energy of the universe and plant the seeds for your future. This planetary alignment isn't just a rare event in the sky. It's a chance for you to align your life with your dreams. Take this opportunity to reflect, prepare, and act with intention. Remember, the energy of the universe amplifies what you focus on. By choosing positivity, gratitude, and clarity, you can transform your life in ways you never imagined. So what will you manifest during this alignment? Share your thoughts and dreams in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to make the most of this magical moment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this message with others. Together, we can create a ripple of positivity and elevate the energy of the world.